What if I told you you could change your life with just 2 minutes a day? Yeah, you heard that right. 2 tiny minutes. No discipline, no willpower, just one trick backed by science. And yes, it's from the best-selling book Atomic Habits. It's called the 2-minute rule. And it's so simple, it almost sounds fake. But here's the crazy part. It actually works. This video is going to show you exactly how it turns your lazy brain into a habit-building machine. And if you've ever failed at building habits before, like going to the gym, studying, or journaling, this rule might just save you. So stick around, because if you watch till the end, I'll show you how to turn this tiny hack into a full-blown lifestyle upgrade. Quick question before we start. What's one habit you always wanted but never kept? Drop it in the comments. I'll reply to a bunch of you. Let's go. Alright, so what is the 2-minute rule? It's simple. When you start a new habit, make it take less than 2 minutes to do. That's it. No pressure, no huge goals. Just start small. Like stupid small. Want to read more? Just read 1 page. Want to work out? Put on your shoes. Want to study? Open your notebook. The goal isn't to finish, it's just to start. Why? Because starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, your brain naturally wants to keep going. And if you don't, it's okay. You still win. You showed up. The 2-minute rule tricks your brain into building momentum. It's not about doing more, it's about doing something. Because once something becomes automatic, you stop overthinking it. So yeah, reading 1 page, it does count. Crazy, right? What's something you could shrink to 2 minutes? Comment below. Let's get nerdy for a sec. Why does this 2-minute thing actually work? It all comes down to something called activation energy. Basically, your brain hates starting things. It's like trying to push a car. It takes a lot to get moving, but once it rolls, it's easy. By making habits super easy, you reduce that mental friction. Plus, you're using something called a habit stacking and cue-based routines. You're literally rewiring your brain to link actions with triggers, like wake up, brush teeth, open notebook. And when you repeat that, your brain turns it into autopilot. Also, dopamine. Every time you do something good, you get a hit. That feel-good chemical reinforces the habit. 2 minutes is enough to get the reward without the burnout. It's like giving your brain a cheat code. So yeah, it's backed by science, and your brain loves it. Still think 2 minutes can't change your life? Okay, real talk. Most people mess this up. Here's how not to use the 2-minute rule. First, don't expect results overnight. You're building habits, not magic tricks. Second, don't make it 2 minutes of pain. This should feel easy, like brushing your teeth. Third, don't upgrade too fast. People go from 2 minutes to 2 hours and burn out. Stick to 2 minutes until it feels automatic. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to be consistent. Also, don't guilt yourself. Missed a day? So what? Try again. And don't compare your journey to others. You're not behind, you're building. Remember, big habits start small. No one becomes a gym rat by lifting a car on day 1. So if it feels too hard, shrink it. 2 minutes is the win. You got this. Ever tried a habit and gave up? Why? Type it below. I want to see how common it is. So want to start a new habit today? Here's how you do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick something crazy small. Like embarrassingly small. Want to get fit? Just roll out your yoga mat. Want to write a book? Open a Google Doc. Step 2. Choose a time or a trigger, like after brushing my teeth or right before lunch. Step 3. Do it for just 2 minutes. No more. That's it. Don't overthink it. Don't add extras. You're just teaching your brain, I do this now. And over time, that 2-minute action grows naturally. Remember, the habit is the identity. Every 2-minute win is proof you're becoming that person. So what habit do you want to start today? Comment it now. I'll give ideas to make it easier. Need inspiration? Here are some killer 2-minute habits you can start today. Want to read more? Read 1 paragraph. Want to get stronger? Do DVA push-ups. Want to learn guitar? Hold it and strum 1 chord. Want to clean? Set a 2-minute timer and start anywhere. Want to eat healthy? Fill your water bottle. Want to meditate? Close your eyes and breathe for 120 seconds. See how easy that is? You don't need a gym membership, a 10-step routine, or a perfect setup. Just tiny, repeatable actions. Because once you start, your brain wants to keep going. But even if you don't, you still win. Comment below, which of these are you going to try first? Okay, starting is easy, but how do you keep going? Here's the secret. Make it obvious, easy, and rewarding. 1. Obvious, put your book on your pillow. 2. Easy, keep it under 2 minutes, no exceptions. 3. Rewarding, celebrate after. Do a fist pump. Say, I crushed it. Also, track your wins. Use a calendar or an app. Each X you mark tells your brain, I'm the kind of person who shows up. And if you mess up, no guilt, just restart. Consistency isn't perfection. It's coming back again and again. You're building a system, not chasing a mood. 2 minutes a day keeps laziness away. What's one habit you'd do every single day if it only took 2 minutes? Let me know below. Now let's talk upgrades. Once a habit feels automatic, you can level up slowly. Reading 1 page becomes 5. 1 push-up becomes 10. Filling your water bottle turns into drinking 2 liters a day. The key? Let growth happen naturally. Don't force it. Just keep showing up for those 2 minutes. Soon your brain says, hey, this is easy. Let's do more. Think of your habit like a seed. The 2 minutes is the watering. With time, it grows into something big, without burning you out. So don't rush, stay consistent. And one day you'll look back and think, wait, this all started with 2 minutes? Mind-blowing. What small habit would you want to grow into a big one? Here's the real magic of the 2-minute rule. It's not just about habits, it's about identity. Every time you do that tiny action, you're casting a vote for the person you want to be. Read 1 page, you're a reader. Put on your sneakers, you're an athlete. Write 1 sentence, you're a writer. It's not about the size of the habit, it's about the message it sends your brain. I'm the type of person who shows up. That identity shift is what keeps habits alive. You're not trying to become someone new, you're proving that you already are, and with every 2-minute win, that identity gets stronger. So, who are you becoming today? Drop it in the comments. I want to see it. Let's be real. You will miss a day. We all do. But here's the rule, never miss twice. Missing once is human. Missing twice becomes a pattern. If you forget or life gets in the way, just restart the next day. No drama, no guilt, no I failed nonsense. 2 minutes is so small, it's easy to bounce back. Even doing the bare minimum still counts. Didn't do a full workout? Just put on your shoes. Didn't study? Open your notes. That's the power of keeping it tiny. You're building resilience, not perfection. So next time you miss a day, just ask, what's the smallest thing I can do right now to stay on track? Then do that. Boom, you're back. What's your comeback move when life messes up your routine? Okay, want to make habits actually fun? Gamify them. Turn your streaks into a game. Set challenges. Reward yourself. Hit 7 days in a row. Treat yourself to something small. Use a habit tracking app or go old school with stickers. Invite friends to join you. Habit battle. You can even level up like a video game. Level 1, open the notebook. Level 2, write 1 sentence. Level 10, full journal entry. Your brain loves progress, especially when it feels like winning. And when you win daily, even for 2 minutes, you stay motivated. So add some fun. You're not just building habits, you're building a lifestyle. What would your habit game look like? Design it in the comments. Want to make your habits 10 times easier? Fix your environment. Your surroundings matter a lot. If your guitar's under the bed, you won't play it. If your book's on the nightstand, you'll probably read it. Make your good habits obvious and easy to reach. Leave your journal on your desk. Put your workout mat in the living room. Out of sight equals out of habit. Also, reduce friction. Make it easy to start. Charge your devices. Keep water in reach. Every second of effort you remove makes habits smoother. Think like a designer. How can you change your space to support your goals? Even tiny tweaks equals big changes. So, what's one thing you could move, prep, or place differently to make your habit easier? Tracking your habits? Awesome. Obsessing over them? Not so much. Here's how to track smart. Use a calendar, app, or checklist. Something simple. Each checkmark gives your brain a win, but don't stress over missing 1 or 2. You're playing the long game. What matters is trend, not perfection. If you track 20 days out of 30, you're crushing it. Avoid the trap of I missed one, so I failed. Nope. You're building a system, not chasing a streak. And if tracking feels stressful, skip it for a week. This is about building habits you enjoy, not ones that feel like punishment. So track for clarity, not control. And always celebrate your wins, no matter how small. How do you keep track of your habits? Any cool apps or tricks? Here's where things get wild. The compound effect. 2 minutes might feel small today, but over time it snowballs. Read 1 page a day equals 365 pages a year. 2 push-ups daily equals 700 plus reps a year. That's massive without ever feeling overwhelmed. Habits don't just add up. They multiply. Tiny actions done daily shape your future. They affect your confidence, your energy, your mindset. You become the person who shows up every single day. And that's powerful. No pressure, no hustle culture, just 2 minutes a day, every day. So ask yourself, who will I be in 1 year if I start today? The answer starts now. So now you know, 2 minutes can change your life. You don't need willpower, you don't need motivation. Now you just need to start. Make it tiny, make it daily, and let your habits grow with you. Whether it's reading, working out, studying, journaling, it all starts with showing up for 2 minutes. That's the secret. Now, it's your turn. What habit are you starting today? Drop it in the comments. I'll reply to some of you personally. And hey, if this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool life upgrades. Let's grow together, 2 minutes at a time. You got this.